Hey there, welcome to a quick introduction video to similar triangles. So, first thing, what are similar triangles? Well, let's sketch a couple. So, I'm going to draw a couple of triangles and we will try to make them as similar as possible. But, I am not a robot or an artist, so that's the best I can do. Now, these things look pretty similar, but as your teacher should have told you, you never trust a drawing. So, we'll put some symbols in here. Let's put some dots in there. That signifies that these two angles are the same. And then we'll put, say, an angle symbol in there, an arc. Okay, now that those two are the same. So, because these things have the same shape, they are now similar triangles. All I need to know is the two angles, because the third one has to follow suit. This angle down here, it's got to be the same. If I know 2, then you know 3, because they have to add up to 180. So if the dot and arc are the same as the dot and arc, then these have to be the same, because in both triangles they always have to add to 180. Now, let's go through a definition here. Here's our definition. That similar triangles, this is important, so we'll underline it. Similar triangles have the same shape but different size. Now, technically, I'd say they don't have to have the different size. They have to have the same shape. What happens if they do have the same size? Well, get another definition. If they have the same shape and the same size, then they are called congruent. So, two congruent triangles will look something like this. And I'll see if I can draw them pretty much the same, close enough. Let's pretend that those two things are exactly the same. So they are congruent if they're the same shape and size. Congruent triangles are similar triangles, just like a square is a rectangle. And I hope you know what I mean by that. But what is most important, again, is that we are looking for triangles that are the same shape. Now, what does it mean for two triangles to have the same shape? How do they have the same shape? They must have the same angles. That's what makes them the same shape. So, same angles. This is important here. Once I know that I've got dot there, arc there, I know that they're the same angles. All three are, well, all three aren't the same, but this, and this are the same as this, and this, and the other triangle. So they're the same angles, they are similar triangles, and then I can start doing my math with it. Now, solving sides is a little more difficult. That's going to be in another video. But let's rip through some quick solving for angles. So, draw a couple of quick triangles here. Whoa. That's brutal. All right, let's try a better one here. Okay, so those triangles suck, but we'll call this triangle A, B, and C, and we will call this triangle D, E, and F. Now, in order to make these two similar, again, I don't trust a drawing, and these drawings barely look anything alike anyways, but if I tell you that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then I don't care how crappy my drawings are. That's now true. So ABC is similar to DEF in that order. So that means that A here is the same as D. So let's say that I give you 40 degrees in here. If A is 40 degrees, and let's say I will tell you that C is, I don't know, 80 degrees. And that's supposed to be 80, not 86. So if A is 40, then D has to be 40, because they are similar triangles, so they have to have the same angle. Now, if C is 80, then which one has 80? Well, if it was similar ABC, then DEF, then C is the similar to F. So this is also 80 degrees. Cool? Now, what's the other one? Well, remember your 180. If the angles all add to 180 and these two add to 120, then this has got to be 60 degrees. And also this one's 60 degrees because, again, B and E are similar. So this is the symbol that we use for similar. This squiggle, it's a single squiggle. The triangle ABC is similar to that. Cool. Now, next video, we will show you how to solve the sides.